Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, connected to your carrier network, and running a recent iOS build so voicemail layout matches. Once done, open the phone app and tap voicemail in the bottom right. You do this because voicemail and blocked message access live inside the voicemail tab. Skipping straight to settings won't show hidden voicemail items. While the voicemail screen loads, glance for a section named Blocked Messages near the bottom. That's where blocked callers can appear. Once you see voicemail, scroll down deliberately to find a Blocked Messages section. It's often hidden below regular messages. Tap Blocked Messages to expand the list and reveal recordings left by numbers on your block list. You should play each item to confirm content and origin. Long press or use the Edit button to save a recording to files, forward it, or delete it permanently. Make sure to note timestamps and caller details so you can decide whether to unblock or keep the contact blocked. To finish, manage any messages you want kept and clear others. Then, if you need the caller unblocked, go to Settings Phone Blocked Contacts and remove the number. If you don't see blocked messages at all, restart the phone and check for iOS updates, because the feature can depend on the software build and carrier. If issues continue, make sure your carrier's voicemail service supports blocked message storage and call carrier support. They can confirm server-side routing and any account-level voicemail filters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.